Hey guys, welcome to Bay Box Breakers. Here's tonight's break of Panini Elite 11-12 Hockey. Box numbers are 99235769. Second one is 99240570. So when I send you this video link, you're going to get it in two links. I'll do the first box, and then the second box will be a second link to follow. Time of night is 8:09, Wednesday, May 16th. 8:09, May 16th. Just about to watch the Rangers jersey game. The national anthem's going, but I didn't feel like waiting any longer to do the boxes, so I'm going to do them now. So we'll go with box number one here. Good luck, guys. Thanks again for your bids. Still waiting on some payments, so I'll do my best to get it out to you. There's 20 packs per box here. There they are. Empty box. That's right. Just gonna move this over a touch. So here we go, guys. Good luck. Base. A hit here. Corey Perry for the Ducks. Die cut aspirations. Corey Perry for the Ducks. Base. Oh, sweet hit here. We've got, for the Toronto Maple Leafs, 330 goals, prime numbers. It's 95/330, Mr. Wendell Clark. Wendell Clark for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Beautiful card. Base. And then we got an Aspirations, Danny Heatley of the Wild. Danny Heatley Aspirations die cut. Base. Two more base. We got a rookie here. Rookie for the Canadians. That is Aaron Pulishad. Rookie auto. Aaron Pulishad. Nice hit for Montreal. Next pack. Base. Two more base and a decoy. We got a rookie here for the Panthers. This is Breaking Kearns for the Florida Panthers. This is number 304 and 999. Breaking Kearns. Base. Got two more base. We have Mikhail Grabovski, Aspirations, a die cut for the Leafs. Grabovski, and then we have a Simon Desprez for the Pittsburgh Penguins, a New Breed jersey. New Breed rookie jersey for the Pens. Two more all base. We got a hit here. Ryan Wilson, Colorado Avalanche. Status. Ryan Wilson. So that is number 38 of 99. Status. Base. Decoy and all base on that. Base. Two base. We got a redemption here. We've got, a nice hit for the Florida Panthers here. Elite Rookies, Auto Variations, 249. Eric Gabranson for the Florida Panthers, I believe. Nice hit. I'll double check, but I'm almost 100% positive that is Florida. Base, all base in that pack. Base, two base. We got Aspirations die cut Jeff Skinner. Jeff Skinner die cut. Garbage. Next card, or next pack. Base. 2 more base. We got Alexander Ovechkin Elite Series. Sorry, my dog is just running around. Base. Here we go. Zach Ronaldo for the Flyers. Zach Ronaldo, rookie for the Flyers. 196 and 999. Zach Ronaldo. Base. 2 more base. Decoy. And then we have another aspirations. Oh, there he is. Eric Branson for the Florida Panthers. I guess that confirms we got the elite rookie variations for the Panthers there. The redemption. Nice hit. Base. 2 more base and a decoy. Dud pack. Base. 2 more base. Nice hit here. We got a Stars. Boston Bruins. Tyler Seguin. Stars. Boston Bruins. Four packs remaining. And we still have the whole other box. So base. Nice. 2 more base. We got an Elite Series. We got the Sidney Crosby for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Sid the Kid Crosby. So 2 hits for the Pens. Base. More base. And aspirations, Antti Niemi for the Sharks. Antti Niemi for the San Jose Sharks. Base. And then we have Brett Connolly, rookie for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Rookie Stars, Brett Connolly for the Lightning. That's it. Last pack of this box. Base. A decoy here, or not a decoy. Nick Backstrom, status for the Wild. Nick Backstrom, 39 and 999 for the Wild. Next hit. We got the decoy and then 2 more base. So that finishes out that box. I'll send you the link for the next box. Thanks again, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.